Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a small Dollar Tree haul and then a St. Vincent Depaul haul. Got me some lime green paint, or light green paint. I love this color. Green. And I finally found, after months and months, I found the sunflower material. I have a plan for this for in my bathroom of Van Gogh. You know, because of the sunflowers. So I picked up 4 of them. That should be plenty. They only actually had 4, so I will work with what I got. And then I found the little mason jars. I had to open one because I wanted to see if they were actually glass, and they are glass. That's cool. So I got 2 packs of those. I have a plan for them. And then I thought these were cool. I got those little beads with initials. I got 2 T's and an S. I'm going to put this in on some curtains in my kitchen. 1 T and an S and the other T I wanted. And I got some popsicle sticks, craft sticks, whatever you call them, popsicle sticks, just to use as stirrers when I mix paint. So that's my Dollar Tree haul, guys. Oh, and I got some paper plates. They're in the kitchen. I don't think you'll care to see them. So I got that. Now, St. Vincent de Paul, I went in this, because our snowblower broke down. So, in the area where me and Sky had to go pick up the part, it was a different Dollar Tree than I usually go to, and there's a St. Vincent de Paul in that area. So I stopped there, and today their books were half off. So this was $1.50 Webster Dictionary, large print. I thought it was cool, and I love dictionary paper. So, got that. Cool. I just thought it was cool. And this was calligraphy paper. I thought I could do some mixed media on that. I think it's cool. It was $2.46, but that I got up there was half off because it was a purple sticker. So I thought that was cool. I wish they had more than this one. I would have picked that up. And then I found a yearbook from I think 1999. Oh, look at somebody's little picture with his daddy or baby. And I picked it up. Fantastic Voyage. I can't figure out what school this is from though. Voyage. Voyage, West Depaul. There it is, West Depaul High School. Oh boy. 1999. Okay. So, and I thought it was kind of cool because of the pictures. They're not too old, but still cool. It was only 50 cents. I'll go through here and see if I know anybody. So I picked that up. Look at the advertisement in back. Personals. Haha, I remember doing that. Oh, world news. That's kind of cool. What was hit? Let's see. Look at the computer in 1999. Is that an apple? Yep, it's an apple. Ah! So that's kind of cool. Oh my god, remember them. In sync. Alright? Yep. Backstreet Boys. Jeff Gordon won NASCAR race. Yep, I remember that. Faces in the news. So that's kind of cool, actually. That's kind of cool. Dropped the picture with the daddy and the baby. 3 1/2 months, so I don't know. So, got that. Then I found this. I thought this was cool. I wish they had more than it. It said young student learning library. And I kind of went like this. But I like the fact of the maps through it. Because I think that'd be cool collage. But this was the only one I had. I'll look to see if they had more. And then, oh, I found this. And this, I think I paid what was this? Yeah, $1. So 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. I thought these were kind of cool. And I thought, I'm going to try to do some of my mixed media on them. It says Book of Many Colors, Painting, Lesson 1. I thought they're worksheets. I thought they were neat. The papers, look at the paper's real nice. Oh, this would be a cool coloring thing. Look at painting. Yeah. I just thought they were neat. I mean, what kind of cool images. Parrot, red, orange, yellow. Flesh tones. I didn't know what was all in there. I thought it was going to be like all like this. But this is kind of cool. I don't know what I might do with this now that I have it open. That's cool. Book of Many Colors. Book of Many Colors. That's Lesson 17. Lesson 18. I don't know. Interesting though. Huh. I do know, guys. I just assumed it was a pack of all this. So, nothing else, even if I choose not to do what it says. It's good, solid, nice paper to do mixed media on for 50 cents. And this I thought was kind of cool. It says, feed my sheep. Hundreds of daily lessons. Comprehensive art something or another. And I just kind of went through it. I won't go through the whole thing, but oh, look at it says the lessons. Oh my god, it coincides with that. Oh my god. See, lesson 1. Lesson 10. Oh my god, that's kind of cool. Lesson 14. Lesson 16. I have no idea. Drawing. Huh. I'm going to have to check this out because now that I'm seeing it. Because I just went like this in the store. And I thought it looked cool. Ooh, look at Vincent Van Gogh. Lesson 184. So it tells you some sort of, well, you know what? I don't know. But I'm not going to, there's that farm, lesson 138. Because that was on top of it in this. Somewhere I remember seeing it. Oh, I mean, huh. I'll have to just check more into that. A complete art curriculum. Isaiah 28:16. By Barry Stabbin. Hundreds of daily lessons. Huh. I'll have to check that out further. But all I did was go like that, and I just thought it was cool because I saw all these cool pictures. So I thought that was cool. What did I pay for that? It was 75 cents, and I got half of that. Yeah, I thought these were cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but after I saw them, and then I found another one, I thought that it was cool. It's APS Stamp Show Auction. And the guy actually said, oh, here's another one. So I grabbed that one too. But I thought it was cool when I saw this. Look at it. And I thought, and this is my way of thinking. Let me get one here. And you got coins. Look at the old money. Ephemera. Okay. Look at the stamps. Tell me what you guys would do with a book like this, because this is what I thought. I thought I would scan these in, because I thought it'd make great ephemera. I mean, down here I'd do some, but these would be cool. You know, scan them in, make whatever. And then back here, I mean, look at that big cool background. I mean, I just thought it was cool. The whole book's full of them. Look at the letters. Too bad the postcards weren't separate. I could just pull that and scan that one. But that's kind of cool. I just thought it was cool. So tell me what you would do with this, okay? But back here, letters. I mean, look at that. That'd be cool in the background. If I knew how to do that. I mean, look at it, guys. Check that out. Isn't that cool? So I got that, and I paid a whopping 50 cents. Then, there's this one. Canadian stamps. Not as cool as that one, I didn't think. Just way different. But I still thought it was kind of cool. So, I grabbed it. I mean, I paid 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents. I just thought they were cool looking. Somebody who collects stamps must have had these. But that is my... Yep, that's it. But the interesting stuff, 2005 edition. I don't know when this is from. I don't know. But I thought it was kind of cool. I mean, that could be a page in itself. You know? So, you tell me what you would do with these. Now I'm going to have to figure out what this is. So this is the rainbow that bridges the Lamb book, how great thy art. Feed my sheep. Colored pencils. Lesson 4, color chart. Lesson 5, making a colorful apple. Just, I don't know. But I thought it was cool. But I'm going to let you guys go. So you let me know in the comments what you think about haul and what would you would do with these books. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And I will talk to you later on the next one. Bye, everybody.